Thanks for clicking on the video of our Case IH 24 model 4412F 30-inch folding chopping corn head. I'm here in Rochelle, Illinois. We traded this in from a guy that trades with us every year. The guesstimation on the Augers 2000 thereabouts. The overall condition is, it's literally like new, but you know, a little bit of wear on the knives. Right there you can see a little bit of wear on the very front, which is normal. I see one little ding right there. Otherwise, I didn't notice any dings on the augers or on the trough. It does have the end row augers. Sorry it's not folded up, but to look underneath at the knife. But I'll stick the camera under there and hopefully you can see the chopping knives. Of course, chopping knives take a fair amount of abuse on corn stalks, but they can be flipped, they can be changed. That's not a very big deal. Paint real nice on it. Again, one season of use. Here's the serial number there, and that's our unit number. So once again, appreciate you watching the video.